Strip by Strip, a quilting journey. This is strip number 52, and I feel like doing some free motion quilting today. So we're going to be free motion quilting this. It's kind of a swirl, but I think it creates kind of like a wave effect. So maybe you want to add a wave to like a strip on a quilt or a border or somewhere. I don't know, maybe you'll just find a little bit of inspiration from this design. But anyways, I'm crazy, and for 99 days, I am sharing 99 different ways to machine quilt a 2-inch strip, and I'm having so much fun. I hope you're finding a bit of inspiration. I like to practice within controlled spaces, so here I'm using a panel that I did purchase from Honest Fabrics. This is the 50 by 60 inch size. Make sure you use that size. If you do get a larger one, your strips are just going to be wider. You won't get more strips. I think each panel has maybe 27 or 28 strips, so if you did want to quilt all 99, you would need to make a few, or get a few panels, or make a few quilt tops. And speaking of making a few quilt tops, I've also created a companion design workbook that includes a piecing pattern, so to piece a quilt top like this, but it also includes all 99 designs, illustrated full color, and we brought back my favorite QR code, so when you scan your smart device on that QR code, it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to quilt each design. But it's also just a great reference book, companion design workbook. I love referring back to mine for, honestly, inspiration for myself. So anyways, let's hop down here to my Gamble 22-inch machine. I'll be stitching in the stitch regulated mode with my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch. So to stitch out this design, I'm stitching from the bottom side here. You could start on the top if you wanted, but I'm stitching from the bottom side, a swirl almost up to the top. Maybe I'll leave a little bit of space, but then I'll just swirl into the center. I kind of will make my machine stop when I get to the center point so that it'll take a stitch. And then from there, I'll swirl back out, and I'll just keep repeating that over and over. Thanks for joining me in this machine quilting video. I hope you were able to find a bit of inspiration. Don't forget, we have created an awesome companion design workbook that includes all 99 of these designs illustrated, plus we have our favorite QR codes that when you scan those with your smart device, it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to do this machine quilting. Don't forget, I love seeing your work. You can share in our Piece and Quilt Show and Tell Facebook group. Have a great day and happy quilting!